Hi all! In this video today, we're going to see all the advantages of the casting system using a Chromecast of new generation, generation 4. Until the moment, in order to cast the applications from mobile to TV, we were used to use the Chromecast V3. As we see in this screen, the Chromecast V3 was allowing us to provide a unique interface, not navigable, where we were including the instructions showing the guests how to get paired and cast. And the hotel was capable also to include some kind of information, but limited. With the new Chromecast Generation 4, the screen will be navigable, and that's what we will call Cast Interactive. Let's see how it works. Okay, we're going to start talking about technical details. For this infrastructure, we need exactly the same that we were having with V3, Wi-Fi. That is to say, we don't need LAN connection in order to plug the device to the network. We don't need Smart TVs. The only thing we need is hospitality TVs having CEC protocol, because we will need to change or to be switching in between sources from TV to the interface that we're having. We don't need, if we are having coaxial channels, we don't need to have the channels in IP, because we will be changing sources. And another important thing is that with the TV remote, it will be sufficient to move around the interface we are presenting. So, as we see here, from the scratch, we already identified this interface is much more complete than the one we were having with the Chromecast V3. In this interface, we see different menus that we can have them wherever we want to place them, here at the top and in the middle. We find, thanks to the integration with the PMS, we find this welcome with the identification of the guest. And something important is that we don't need to show the way or the instructions on how to pair the mobile with the TV for casting, because we have other menus where we will be able to show the instructions to the guest. So if we start navigating, let's explain from the beginning the applications. The process of pairing is exactly the same as it's been until now, but the difference is both Netflix and Apple TV, they need to be accessed from the television. So we go to Netflix. And here, we'll see we need to go through another process of pairing, because we need to register or insert our credentials, but on TV, like if we are at home, because on a domestic TV, we will be doing exactly the same. So we go to sign in, and you'll see here the scanning process. We do the scanning. And then here, we will start the session on TV. And immediately, we'll have on TV our account. Once it's here, it will be always there until the end of our stay. And when we leave the room, we will clean ZAFIRO will be in charge of cleaning the details of the guest. Okay? So let's go back to the menu and let's see how we can navigate through other type of menus on this user interface. As you will see here in the upper menu, we can go to this section where we have room service, sale, shops, etc. I'm saying etc. because we can invite third parties to bring their shops in here and to make revenue with this. We can make cross business here. So let's try to go to a shop. If we go to the breakfast, we'll see how easy it is to order a breakfast. If we go to the Spanish omelette and we go there, we add it. Okay, we go to cart And then we finalize the order, room service, continue, and as soon as possible, which is the room number. And then done. Okay? The omelette is ready. So we go back again to the menu and we'll see we have in the user interface, we have other features like hotel info. If we go there, the hotel can insert all the services they have in here. We can go to this section where we have defined as your stay. So if we go there, in here we have inserted the invoice, integration with the smart room. We have inserted the possibility of a checkout, for example. We have also messages here in the upper menu. Oops, I went to alarms. Alarms. Let's see the messages. Messages. We have the messages here, okay? And so on, so on, so on, so on. So if we go back to the main screen, here we have inserted other widgets. We can give functionalities like the parental control for the kids not to be ordering anything. We can invite the guest to change language, even if it comes with a PMS, yeah, but then maybe he wants to change the language. And then this is the important thing, how we switch in between this interface where we show information and other type of entertainment like the pairing with the casting and the TV channels. Okay, so here what we did is just we showed this widget of TV and then we say how to do it to move to channels. So we'll go to input, we'll go to the input where we have the coaxial channels and here we have the channels. If we want to go back to the user interface, again the same. We do like this and back here. Okay, then back to the main menu and here we are in the interface again. So as we have seen, with a simple system of casting, we are offering a very complete service. Not only for the guest that, as until now, he's capable to stream the content of his device to a bigger screen on TV, but also for the hotel. We enable him to give information and services to the guest. And this way, we are covering two main functionalities requested in an in-room system, which are entertainment and information. I hope you have liked the video, and if you want to know more, you know where we are.